What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite type of music? My favorite type of music is pop and alternative. What sports do you do? I play football and tennis. What do you do? I'm a student. What are you studying? I'm studying English and other subjects at school. What do you do at the weekend? At the weekend, I like to spend time with my family and friends. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I do sport, go shopping, and I enjoy spending time with my friends. What time do you usually get up? I usually get up at 7 a.m. What time do you usually have lunch? I normally have lunch at 2 p.m. What time do you normally go to bed? I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. At the weekends, I go to bed later.